Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum viewers. When a successful person succeeds again and again, it becomes news. But when a failed person succeeds, it becomes history. There are some accidents in life that change a person's life. So, viewers, a child was born on February 24th, 1976 in the city of Ukraine. His name was John Kuhn. The child belonged to a poor family. This child was going to go ahead and create such an application which is present in all our phones, that is WhatsApp. In 1992, this family sold everything and moved to the United States. John Kuhn got a job as a cleaner in the United States. He was a cleaner in a grocery store. John Kuhn was just 16 when his father died and his mother was diagnosed cancer. John Kuhn was a computer expert from the beginning. His mother admitted him to Stanford University. John Kuhn had no computer for 19 years. He bought a computer networking manual from an old bookstore and returned it after learning from it. At the same time, John Kuhn was offered a job in a Yahoo. John Kuhn left university and got a job. Here, John Kuhn met Brian Acton. John's mother died in 2000. John was left completely alone. He spends most of his time with Brian Acton. John Kuhn worked in a Yahoo for 9 years and saved $4 million. He resigned from Yahoo in 2009 and took a year off to tour South America. A year later, John applied for a job at Facebook, but Facebook refused to give him a job. In January 2002, John bought an iPhone. The iPhone was about to launch many new applications. At that time, that's when John Kuhn came up with an idea to create an application that allows people to talk to each other, no ads running and no logging required, and easy to use. This was the idea of John Kuhn, who shared to Brian Acton. So the viewers, it is said that he who does not bow does not stop. With his high spirits, he created the WhatsApp in 2009. The WhatsApp that connects the whole world. In the next 7 years, WhatsApp will grow faster than Facebook. When WhatsApp started, there were options like Skype, BBM, GChat for free messaging. But the special things about WhatsApp was that it was logged in with a mobile number. WhatsApp has got 45 billion users in 5 years. Surprisingly, there was no marketing person in WhatsApp. The popularity of this application has made it a big brand. All over the world, Facebook owner Mark Zuckerberg, who refused to hire him, offered to buy him. The two friends sold WhatsApp for $19 billion. While dealing with WhatsApp, John Kuhn chose the place where he spends hours with his mother. He used to stand up and take food. Today, John Kuhn is one of the richest men in America. So the viewers, it is true that hard work and good ideas can change person's destiny. Today, the sons of our labor sat on the throne from floors. To Indominate World and click the bell icon for more informative videos. Also, don't forget to like, share and comment on the video.